ChatGPT is one of the most trending topics right now. Everyone's talking about it, and yeah, it's pretty cool. Since its release in November 2022, it has gained over 1 million users in just 5 days. It took Instagram 2.5 months and Twitter 24 months to reach that. Now, I was going to wait to show you this, but check this out. If I type, "I want you to act as a Linux terminal," it actually acts as a Linux terminal. Can I just type ls? CD documents, ls, echo, first, GPT, text, document. Now I think that's pretty cool, but let's see what else it can do. You can even just ask it simple things like, what is JavaScript? What is Python? And you can ask it other random facts. You can ask it anything. Who created Red Bull? Is the founder of Ray-Ban? What is the color of the sky? How many planets are in our solar system? You can ask ChatGPT personal questions, but sometimes it just replies that it's an AI and it doesn't have an opinion. We can ask ChatGPT to write code for us. Write a basic HTML website with CSS and detailed buttons. And it will go ahead and write it all out for us. And it gives you a quick summary of what it did, a heading, paragraph, and a button. So let's copy this into a HTML viewer, and look at that. It generated this little quick output. Now, it can do more than just code for us and define definitions. We can ask it to do our homework as well. Write me an essay on the difference between an orange and a banana. Oranges are both types of fruit, but they have many differences in terms of appearance, taste, and nutritional content. In terms of appearance, oranges are round and have a bright orange color, while bananas are elongated and have a yellow color. In terms of nutritional content, oranges are an excellent source of vitamin C, while bananas are a good source of potassium. Overall, oranges and bananas are both delicious and nutritious fruits that can be enjoyed in many different ways. However, they have different characteristics and nutritional values which make them unique. Very interesting. Let's see what it can do from a cybersecurity perspective. Generate me an nmap on IP. Make it undetectable. Scan delay, max retries, rate limit, and it even tells you the different settings in the command do. T4 sets the timing template, A enables OS detection, V enables verbose output, P tells nmap to scan all the ports, delay of 2 seconds, and it even tells you a little notice. It's not always possible to evade detection. Using these options may cause the scan to take longer to complete. Let's try creating a AWS CLI script. Create me a script that makes 5 different AWS hosts with cloud front. For many of you cloud professionals out there who have these scripts readily available, yeah, this might not help you that much, but still, if you have new instances that you need to create, this will help you heaps. It's just writing it all out for me, and all the layouts there, and all I have to do is go in and edit it how I feel fit. Give me the same thing in Google Cloud Platform. So you can see how this would increase your productivity if you were working in a multi-cloud environment. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.